The countdown has officially begun, and the camera world has just entered full hype mode. Sony has now confirmed the monumental reveal of the Sony S7V, and photographers everywhere are bracing for what many already call the most significant camera launch of the decade. What makes this even crazier? A release we all expected in 2026 is now arriving much earlier. December 2nd, 2025. And trust me, the excitement is already exploding across the entire creative community. Sony has titled the event Chase Your Dreams. And that name alone tells you this isn't just another refresh. This is Sony signaling a major leap inside the alpha ecosystem. The kind of leap that shapes the next generation of creators. Industry analysts had predicted an early December window, cross-checking release cycles, supply chain movements, and internal registration logs. And for once, the rumor mill hit the bullseye. These predictions rarely line up perfectly. Just look at the timing shifts Canon faced during the EOS R6 Mark III cycle. But this time, everything aligned almost exactly. Sony has now locked in the global reveal for 11 p.m. Japan Standard Time, which hits 2 p.m. in London and 9 a.m. EST in North America. These synchronized global timings matter because Sony wants filmmakers, photographers, media outlets, and tech channels like GadgetVerse to witness the moment together. Here on GadgetVerse, our live expert panel will kick off 1 hour earlier at 8 a.m. EST, breaking down final rumors, last-minute leaks, and all the hidden details. Sony is clearly holding back until the very last moment. If Sony follows tradition, the biggest surprise will drop in the final seconds of the event. Meanwhile, major photo retailers across the world have already begun dropping cryptic hints, countdown timers, mysterious banners, and subtle teasers, all confirming what we knew. December 2nd is going to be massive, and when retailers start preparing early, it usually means stock allocations, pricing sheets, and marketing kits are already finalized behind the scenes. Now here's the important part. Sony has warned their distributors. First batch stock will be extremely limited. Because this release hits right before the holiday season, demand will skyrocket. Early adopters, professional shooters, and content creators will all be fighting for the same units. If you wait even a few hours after launch, you might miss the first wave completely. This is exactly what happened during the chaotic Sony S7V launch, where units sold out in minutes across multiple countries. That's why creators are recommending that viewers bookmark their affiliate links for B&H Photo, Adorama, Wex Photo Video, and other major retailers. These links stay locked under NDA, but they will go live exactly at 9 a.m. EST on December 2nd. One major win this time. Sony has eliminated the old 24-hour embargo delay that used to frustrate North American buyers. Now, everyone else, Europe, Asia, gets access simultaneously. A fair launch at last, but even with the event just days away, Sony is still guarding the official S7V spec sheet like a classified document. That mystery has pushed the community to rely heavily on trusted insiders, many of whom accurately predicted cameras like the A7RV, Sony A1, and FX3. And according to these sources, here's the real beast coming our way. At the heart of the Sony S7V is a brand new 33-megapixel full-frame sensor. Yes, the resolution matches the S7IV, but internally this is an entirely new architecture, a partially stacked sensor. This upgrade dramatically improves readout speed, rolling shutter control, and low-light performance. Stacked sensors are known for blazing fast data handling, putting the S7V in the same high-performance league as competitors like the Nikon Z6. Some insiders even believe Sony and Nikon may be using similar sensor foundations. Not surprising considering Sony has long supplied sensor tech to Nikon, even for customized models. Because of this new sensor, the S7V is expected to shoot 30 frames per second in 14-bit RAW, using the electronic shutter, a massive upgrade that firmly places this camera into the semi-pro and pro hybrid category. Wildlife shooters, sports photographers, and event creators are about to fall in love. On the video side, the S7V delivers 4K 60 fps with full sensor oversampling and zero crop, meaning maximum sharpness and maximum detail from every pixel. And for slow-motion creators, you get 4K at 120 fps, with only a mild crop, likely under 20%. A small compromise for otherwise ultra-clean footage, with no moire, no false color, and none of the old issues earlier alpha cameras struggled with. The only thing missing is open gate recording, which some filmmakers hoped for, but even without it, the S7V is shaping up to be a monster. Behind the scenes, even the creators covering this launch, including the original presenter. This script was based on mentioned powering through sickness and medication, just to deliver updates. And honestly, that says everything about how intense, competitive, and high-pressure these major launches can be for the tech world. But at the end of the day, one thing is certain: December 2nd is going to change everything. And here on GadgetVerse, we'll be right there, breaking it all down for you.